Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome with Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Lock with another wonderful video today. So in this video, I'm going to show you a wonderful detox tea that's going to help you to get rid of that weight. It's going to help you to flush out 15 pounds in 2 weeks. This is a diuretic and this is wonderful. It's flavorful ingredients. In this, you're going to need a handful of spinach. Okay, this is freshly washed spinach. And I'm going to be using my pineapples today. Pineapple is, oh, it's awesome. It's wonderful for weight loss. I'm also going to be using a piece of ginger, all right, fresh ginger root. And I'm also going to be using a cucumber, all right. And lastly, I am going to be using some coconut oil. There's awesome benefits of coconut oil, you guys. I'm going to put this in a video and explain to you the breakdown of coconut oil. All right. And lastly, I'm also going to be using my aloe vera gel. This is a wonderful dietary supplement that you can ingest every single day. It does your body wonderfully. And this is from Lily of the Valley. So we're going to be using a blender today. I'm just going to start off by putting a handful of spinach in my blender cup. Okay. And I'm going to be using a piece of ginger, a nice sized piece of ginger. And I'm going to de-skin it. Okay. So I'm just going to chop my ginger into pieces. Okay. Just to put it inside my blender cup. This is going to give it such nice flavor. Okay, next we're going to use at least a cup of the pineapple. Now this is nice sweet pineapple. I love me some pineapples. Okay, so about a cup of pineapple. We're going to pop that in our blender cup as well. And as far as the cucumber, this is a big cucumber, so I'm only going to use half because my blender cup is very small. Okay, so this is not an organic cucumber, so I'm just going to de-skin it real quick. I don't like that film on it. If you can get organic cucumbers, that's wonderful because the fiber is also in the skin of the cucumber. And next I'm just going to cut this into pieces. Pop that in my cup as well. Now if you're using a full-size blender, that's wonderful. And now I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of my aloe vera gel in my blender cup as well. This is good to use in all your smoothies. This is good to use every single day because it has wonderful dietary benefits to your body. And lastly, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And this is my pure Fruit of Life coconut oil. And now we're just going to blend this up. Okay. Now this is an awesome drink for you to drink in the mornings before breakfast on an empty stomach, as well as also at nighttime right before bed. Just gonna pop my straw in there and try it out. Oh my goodness, this is delicious. Delicioso. Alright you guys, so there you have it, this wonderful morning and evening detox smoothie. This is awesome, wonderful benefits for your body. You're going to drop weight in no time, okay? And it tastes so good. The pineapple gave it a wonderful flavor. You don't even taste the ginger pieces at all, but the flavor is there. It's going to get your stomach going in the morning. So you will be going to the bathroom. And you can also add in chia seeds if you choose to, flax seeds. So many awesome ways that you can even boost this up to another level. Thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful weight loss smoothie video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell, and when you do, select all, so this way you will not miss another one of my wonderful videos, weight loss videos, detox videos, the whole 9, okay? And if you choose to be a blessing to this channel, I have links down below in the description box that you can also donate. Any amount is wonderful, so this way I can bring better quality videos for you all, all right? So I thank you all again, and I will see you in the next video.
Where you going? You didn't subscribe yet. Well, listen, first of all, before you go, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget also to turn on that notification bell, so this way you will not miss another one of my videos, okay? Make sure that you hit that subscribe button, click it, and then hit that little bell and make sure that it's lit. You will miss out on so much if you don't hit that subscribe button, and also hit that bell next to it. Make sure that it's turned on, so this way when I upload another video, you will not miss it at all, okay? You will be the first to know. So don't forget, give me those likes, thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button along with the bell at the bottom, and you will always know when I upload another one of these videos, okay? So I'll see you in the next video.